Guys, so today I'm just going to do a quick tour of this rolling cart. They sell carts like this at Target, IKEA, Michael's, even somewhere else has them. I think Costco has like a 4-tiered one. This one is from Michael's. This is the mint color. I wanted a light pink one, but they didn't have them at the time, so I just got with, what I had. And it literally, you put it together in 3 steps. Anyway, I'm just going to show you how I'm using this. This is like my Happy Mail cart. On this top layer, I made everything so I could easily take it out, and then this can change as I'm, working on stuff. So this top layer, I guess you want to call it, it has a pink basket, and these are like outgoing stuff that I'm working on that I'm going to send out soon. And it is in a little pink basket that comes right out of the top, so I could easily put this on my desk once I ship stuff. And then these trims are just on here in these little baskets. These are like my recent AliExpress hauls. So I'm like hoping to use stuff if I leave it out versus just packing it away right away. That really pretty ruffle trim. I love that. Then right here, I'll start with the front pieces. They have these Daiso Daiso baskets. You saw me haul them. They are white with like a tan brownish color hook, and it was driving me nuts, like the brown and the white, and it wasn't as cute, So I spray painted it with that Rust-Oleum metallic gold. I painted all 3 of them, spray painted all 3 of them, and they just hook on absolutely perfect onto this thing. I was like, you know what, I need to add these to the other side, but I don't want to make this thing like, it'll probably fall over maybe. I was thinking about it, but anyway. On this first little basket, I just did some score tape, puffy circle tape, and then the dollar store puffy tape. My art glitter glue, my ATG, and then the mini stapler. Just right there, because these tools were kind of cramped in the spot that they were already in as their main home. So if they're out like this versus on my desk taking up all the space, like, it works perfect for me, Then here are like recent spools that I've purchased. So I'm like again, like leaving those AliExpress trims out so that I do use them, or the last project I was working on. So they're just out here and they fit perfect in here. And then down here is like dollar store hauls of like all the gems and stuff that I was buying recently. They're just out here because I do pack these up for my Happy Mail, outgoing Happy Meals and stuff. And then these also, like, these easily come up like off and stuff. They just, easily hook. I'm trying to do it with one hand, but yeah. I could take those off if I needed to get to the paper. So these are all my this is like a funky size. This is like 12 by 6. All my 6x6 paper pads did fit in here. I was so excited because I had these in 2 little like box thingies at first, and then now they're here, so hopefully I'll use them more. And then these are like the odd sizes, like 6x8, and then that's an 8x8 size in the back, and then this is my new Hobby Lobby size this is like a 8.5 by 11. I'm not sure the exact size on that. Then on the bottom, let me roll this around. Maybe the back side's easier. Then on the bottom, I have these little trays. These are from IKEA. They're like crazy heavy-duty, sturdy plastic bins. These were on the side of my desk, like in a little like cubby hole, but I don't use these as often. So I was like the embroidery thread, and like these are all the twines. I don't use those as often, so I was like, so I just stack these on top of each other. These are the original spools of like, what's this called? Trim that I had. These were for my Etsy shop, so I needed all like solid colors and stuff. So that's just what's in the bottom one. It's the same clear tray as this. So I just stack those on top of each other. This thing is heavy and it still rolls, so I'm impressed. That is my, oh, I forgot what I did. So remember those dies that I said I didn't have room like in my normal die cutting solution? So this thing is obviously metal. These magnets are, these dies are metal, so they just fit perfectly on the side or the back. For me, this is going to be the back because I store my cart like this. But also, I got these little plastic containers in Target Dollar Spot. And they have a magnet already on there, a really strong magnet, because I stuck all the like pens and markers that are brand new in this little container because it's just magnetized onto the back of this thing. So yeah, that's my fully stocked Raskog cart. Alright, bye guys. Catch you on the next video.